World Tumor Day is observed since 2000 on which date? June 8th. Which day is observed as World Oceans Day as recognized by the UN? June 8th. Who has become the second highest active international goal scorer? Sunil Chhetri. Which state has launched the Jahan Vote Wahan vaccination campaign? Delhi. What is the theme of UN World Oceans Day 2021? The ocean, life and livelihoods. How much amount of the disinvestment target has been set by the Government of India for financial year 2022? Rupees 1.75 lakh crore. Which city has been selected as the host city for the inaugural Hockey 5 World Cups to be held in January 2024? Muscat. Which institution in India has topped among the Indian universities in the Times Higher Education Asia University Rankings 2021? IISc Bangalore. Which country has been elected as a member of the United Nations Economic and Social Council for 2022-24 from the Asia Pacific states? India. Which union territory has decided to reserve jobs exclusively for locals? Ladakh. Which state/union territory's village has become India's first to achieve 100% vaccination of adults? Jammu and Kashmir. Union External Affairs will pay a 3-day visit to which nation from June 12 to 14? Kenya. The RBI has imposed ₹6 crore aggregate penalties on which one of these banks? BOL and PNB. The Niti Aayog has recommended the names of which bank for privatization in 2021-22? Central Bank of India and IOB. Which university has topped the Times Higher Education Asia University Rankings 2021 globally? Tsinghua University.